Good morning friends. Welcome to Parnika's Tutorials YouTube channel. In this video, I want to discuss about method sort. Method sort uses the principle called divide and conquer technique. So to make you understand how the method sort will work, I have taken 7 elements which are not in the proper order. So with these 7 elements, I will discuss how the method sort will be performed and finally how you will get all the elements in the increasing order. So I have taken a array A. Okay, the name of the array is A and it consists of 7 elements. So the array index will start from 0 and it will go up to 6. Okay, so 0 to 6 is the array index and I will take two variables called L and R. L I will initialize to the 0th index, so L is equal to 0 and R is equal to size minus 1, which is 6. Now how we will perform the method sort is that first we need to divide the array into small arrays and finally the smallest array should consist of only one element. Like till that we will divide it and then we will perform the merging. So how we will divide is that we will compute the middle element. So M is equal to L plus R by 2. Okay, we will compute the middle element and then we will take the method sort. Again we will perform the method sort on the array A and L and up to M. Is it clear? Then again we will perform the another method sort recursively on the elements of the A consists of the elements from M plus 1 to R. Okay, and then I will perform the process called merging. Okay, merging on the array A and consists of from the L and M and R. Okay, is it clear? So these are the 3 steps will be performed recursively and these 2 steps will be useful for to divide the array into sub arrays and this one will be useful for us to perform the merging. So how this task will be performed is that, let me write the pseudo code in a proper way so that you will understand. So you have a merge sort, okay, on the array A and you have L and you have R. Now if R is greater than L, then only we need to perform the division. So then what I will do is that I will compute the middle element. M is equal to L plus R by 2. Okay. And then I will call the merge sort on the array A consists of the elements from L to M. Okay. And then again I will call the merge sort on the array A consists of elements from M plus 1 to R. Then finally I will call the merge function on the array A from the elements from L, M and R. So this is the pseudocode for the merge sort. Okay. So now let me do the process. So L is less than R here. So R is greater than L. So the condition is satisfied because L value is equal to 0, R value is equal to 6, 6 is greater than 0. So I have to compute the M value. So M is equal to L plus R by 2. So L value is 0, R value is 6. So 0 plus 6 by 2, I will get the M value is equal to 3. So you need to take the elements from 40, 30, 45 and 5 to one array and 11, 84, 12 to another array. So 40, 30, 45, you need to again perform the merge sort. Are you able to understand? Because this is what we have written. Merge sort on the array A from L 0 to M, which is equal to 3. So these elements you will take it as a one array and 11, 84 and 12 is another one. Is it clear? So we have divided this array into 2 sub arrays. Then again you need to call the merge sort on this sub array. So now again the L value is equal to 0, R value is what? R value is equal to 3. Are you able to understand? Because the starting index 0 you will initialize to L and the size minus 1 you will initialize to R. Then again you will compute L plus R by 2, which is equal to 0 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 1. So the elements from 0 to 1 you will make it as a one array, 40 and 30. Another one you will consist of 45 and 5. So this array you have divided into two sub arrays, and again this array you divided into two sub arrays. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? Now again you can do it. L value is equal to 0, R value is equal to 2, because this index starts from 0, 1, 2. So L value is equal to 0, R value is equal to 2. So 0 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So the elements from 0 to 1, which is 11, 84, will be in one array, and 12 will be there in the another array. Now if you look at again, these are the two elements. If you again perform the merge sort on that one, L value is equal to 0, R value is equal to 1, which is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 0. So from L is equal to 0 to M is equal to 0. So only one element, which is 40, will be there here, and 30 will be there here. Similarly 45 and 5 will be there. Again further divided, 11 and 84 again will be divided, and 12 will be there here. So from the single array we have divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 sub arrays. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Now if you look at each sub array further, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so first we have divided into 2 sub arrays, then divided into 4 sub arrays, then finally we have divided into 7 sub arrays. Is it clear? Are you able to? 2, 4, 6, 7. Now if you look at each sub array, only one element is there. If only one element is there, then we can say that it is already sorted. So let me do it. Now we have to perform the merge A, L, M, R. Okay, now how it will be performed, I will discuss here. Okay, now let me take the 40 here. So I am doing the reverse process here, 40 and 30. Now how we will perform the merging? Now these are the two elements are there. So you take another array consists of two slots. Okay, you take this array, this is another array, and you initialize I value here and J value here. Is it clear? The starting position we will initialize I is equal to 0, and in this one J is equal to 0, and you have taken another array and K is equal to 0. Now you need to compare A of I. Suppose let's take that this is the array A and this is array B. Okay, now A of I and B of J you need to compare. Is it clear? Now which is one? A of I is 40 and B of J is 30. Now which one is less? B of J is less as compared to the A of I. So you need to store the B of J value in C of K. Is it clear? So it will be 30. Now you increment the J value. There is no elements in the array B, so you need to place all the elements in the array A here. Are you able to understand? So from 40, 30 we have merged and we got the array called consists of two elements 30 and 40. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Now again if I take 45 and 5, is it clear? Again if I take another array consists of two elements, then I need to compare 45 and 5, which is less? 5 is less, so I will place 5, and here there are no more elements, and here one element I will keep directly here. So this 40 and 30 I combined and I sorted 40, 30 and 40. Similarly 45 and 5 I combined and I sorted it into 5 and 45. Now again if I perform merge on these two, then I will have the 4 elements array. Okay, now I value I will initialize to 0 and j value also I will initialize to 0. Here I will take the k variable and I will initialize to 0. This is array A, this is array B and this is array C. Now you need to compare A of I and B of j. Which is less? B of j is less. Compare 30 and 5. Which is less? 5 is less. So you need to take the value B of j and place it in the C of k. So 5 will come here. And you increment the j value and also you increment the k value. Now again you compare A of I, which is 30, B of j 45, which is less. Among the 30 and 45, 30 is less. So you take the A of I value and keep it in the C of k value. Now increment the I value. Okay. Now again compare the A of I. Now again you need to increment the k value. Okay. Now compare again. A of I is 40, B of j is 45. Which is less? A of I is less. So place the A of I value in the C of k and increment the k value, increment the I value. There is no more elements in the array A. So whatever the elements is there in the B, all these elements you can place. Only one element is there, which is 45, so I have placed. So from these two sub arrays, if I apply the merge procedure, I got the array consists of 5, 30, 40 and 45. So let me get the values as 5, 30, 40 and 45. Now again I need to perform the merge on these two. What I will get? I will get 11, 84. From 11 and 84 again if I have to apply merge on 12, then I will get it as 11, 12, 84. You can apply the same procedure again. Okay, you can take the array A, array B and take the array C. Again if you perform, you will get the elements in the sorting order as 11, 12, 84. Is it clear? So from these elements we got one array as 5, 30, 40 and 45. From this one I got 11, 12, 84. Now again these two arrays I need to merge. See, if you see it, all these elements we got it in the sorting order, all these elements we got in the sorting order. Now again we need to merge them. So if I merge them, what I will do is that I will take another array and I will explain the procedure again. Now this is array A, this is array B and this is array C. Initially I will take the I is equal to 0, J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 0. Now I will compare A of I with B of j. Which value is less? Compare 5 and 11. 5 is less. So you will place A of I in the C of k value and you will increment the k value and you will increment the I value. Now again you will compare A of I and B of j. Now which is less? 11 is less. So you will take the B of j value and keep it in the C of k. So 11 you will get. You will increment the k value and you will increment the j value. Again you will compare A of I and B of j. Now 12 is less, so you will place here and you will increment the k value and also you will increment the j value. Is it clear? Again you will compare A of I and B of j. Now 30 is less, so you will place the 30 here, you will increment the I value and also you will increment the k value. Again you will compare 40 and 84. 40 is less, so you will place 40 here, you will increment the I value and also you will increment the k value. Again you will compare A of I with B of j. 45 is less, so I will place here and I will increment the k value and I will increment the I value. Now there are no more elements in the array A, so whatever the elements are there in the B, all these elements you can place directly. Is it clear? So finally I got an array called C which consists of 7 elements and all they are arranged in the increasing order. So from this input, how we perform the merge sort, I hope you have understood. So we have simply computed the middle value m is equal to l plus r by 2, and then I have divided into two arrays, and on each array we have again performed the merge sort, and finally we got the arrays as 7 sub arrays, and each till what you have to do the merge sort, meaning is that when you till what you have to divide, till you will have a sub array consists of only one element, then you will apply the merge procedure, and then finally you got this procedure. And if you see that all the values are there in the increasing order. So with this example, I hope you have understood what is merge sort. If you still have any doubts related to the merge sort, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.